So let us solve one more question from GATE 2024 question paper. So in this question, they have given you a expression, Boolean expression, and they're asking how many fundamental gates are required to implement this expression. Okay, so this is a very simple question. Let us say that this is my y. So I can solve this one. If I solve this, and b and a is a dot b, and then b and b, or a and b bar, and then a and a. Okay, so if I solve this one, this will give me ab, this is b, and this is a b bar, and this is a. Now if I take b common, this will give me a plus 1 b, and further if I take a common, so this will give me b bar plus 1. Now a plus 1 is anything is 1, so this become b, and similarly b bar plus 1 is also 1, so this become a. So I got a plus b. Now this expression is OR gate and can be implemented by only using single OR gate. A, B, Y equals to A plus B. So the answer is only one gate required to implement this function. Thank you very much.